William White with ARDEX Tile and Stone Installation Systems. Today, I have some tips and tricks for installing mosaic tiles. So in this application, we actually have a shower niche that's going to get some mother of pearl tile. So I'll go ahead and show you those now. So we have these two niches here, and we're going to be installing tile on the back of them. So all the field tile has been done. The profile metal has been installed all the way around the perimeter. And then we're going to be installing this mother of pearl tile. So this mother of pearl is very, very, very thin, probably just barely a 1/16 of an inch thin. So we actually have two different methods that we're going to be showing here. This is actually one of the DTA self-adhesive mosaic mesh mounting sheets. So we've already stuck the tiles to that. We actually have another method here. This is kind of the old school method of installing the tile onto a sheet membrane, and that way we can install it as one piece as well. So we've got this already laid out and bonded to our sheet. So the sheet itself, very easy to use. You just peel it back, and this is adhesive, very, very sticky. So we've already mounted up our sheet. Now we'll just mark it up and take it out to the saw and cut it. So as you can see, our piece is already mounted. We've cut it to fit into the niche. So now we're just going to apply our thin set. Now we just take a grout float, gently push it into place. Just like that. So here we are with the mosaic that we've mounted to the ARDEX SK175 fabric. The thin set has fully dried and cured. And now we have a nice rigid piece that will allow us to make our marks and cut it on the wet saw. So now we can take this out to the saw and cut it like one giant tile. So now that we've cut the piece, we're ready to install it like one big tile. So we're gonna go ahead and just spread our thin set. And now we're ready just to push our piece in and set it like one giant tile. I like to use a grout float when I'm working with mosaics. That allows me to put nice pressure and make sure that we're nice and flat. There we go, just that easy. So both of our niches are now complete, installed each with its own method. This one was mounted with the DTA mosaic mesh and then cut with a saw and installed as one piece. This niche was installed with the mosaic mounted onto SK175 with mortar, allowed to dry, and then cut on the saw and installed as one piece. So as you can see, very easy to install. That way we don't have to worry about the thin set squeezing through. With this mother of pearl mosaic, they're less than a 1/16 inch thick, so very, very thin. We don't want thin set squeezing through there. And as you can see, the installation went in very easy. Now all we have to do is cut the trim tiles to finish out the niche, and we're all done. Be sure to tune in for more tips and tricks.